We'll guide you through how to install chess.com on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and do because then you can go and get playing chess really quickly. You can go and double click it on your desktop and go and get straight into it. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure this full guide, and without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what we need to do is come to the bottom of our computer and press search, and you want to go and type in Edge. This is the browser we're going to use. I recommend you use it as well, as then you can just follow along step by step with exactly what we need to do. So go and open it up like so. Now what you can do is go and search for chess. By default, Edge may go and use a different search engine. It doesn't matter, go and search for chess, and you can then come to chess.com as we are here. Now what you can do here is you can go and press get started, and we can just go and sign in with our account here. So I'll press continue with Google and just go and sign in. Here we are. Now go to the top right of Edge and find the three dots, and you want to go and click on it. Now what you need to do is go down and hover over more tools. You can then go and find the option for apps, hover over it and press install chess. You go and get this pop up, and you want to go and press install and go and wait. Shortly, it's going to go and pop up. Just go and be patient. Here it is. You want to go and in allow this app to select these top three. I like to do that and press allow. And now you can go and see it in our taskbar. I'll go and close both of these, and you can see it on our desktop. I'll double click on it, and it's then going to go and open. As you can see, here we are, and we can go and get playing. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.